Dear overwhelmed online marketer, this is the greatest opportunity I've seen in my 21 years online. It's been over a decade since I wrote a letter like this, and it might be the most important thing you read this year, and could set you up for the kind of wealth most people only dream about. Since 2004, I've built a reputation for turning everyday people into online success stories. But now, we've entered a new era, one where AI is producing success stories faster than anything we've seen before. This is bigger than any trend you've seen before. Everyone knows that real wealth is made by catching trends early before everyone else. How catching just one trend made me millions. I caught a previous online trend, selling digital courses, which changed my life. Being early to this trend allowed me to sell over 100,000 digital courses to a growing market and made a small fortune in the process. I pulled in $500,000 in 60 days before everyone jumped on the trend, and millions of dollars more poured into my PayPal and Stripe accounts over the years, proving that when you catch a trend early, the rewards are massive. Want indisputable proof. All those online sales helped rank my business number 935 and number 903 on Inc. magazine's list of America's fastest growing companies. That's what it's like when you're ahead of the trend. But let's That's what it's like when you're ahead of the trend. But let's be real. Starting that same business today as a beginner, it's a struggle. Millions are already doing affiliate marketing and selling digital courses, and the big players already dominate the space. That ship has sailed. But now, a new trend is emerging, and it's bigger than anything we've seen before. Be real. Starting that same business today as a beginner, it's a struggle. 2025, the year of the AI profit wave. An old surfer in Hawaii once said, "When there's a big wave coming, you can either get smashed by it or grab a board and ride it." Pain is coming for those who ignore this. Business is about to be disrupted as we know it. According to McKinsey and Company, 400 million to 800 million people will lose their jobs due to AI, which is like a tidal wave of economic pain for those unprepared. People are already getting scared. They don't know how to use or keep up with AI. But here's the good news. The future is bright for those who harness AI. The market for AI products and services could reach between $780 billion and $990 billion by 2027. According to Bain & Company, AI will create more millionaires than the internet boom. Will you be one of them? I'm 43 years old as I write this, and I truly believe I'll make more in the next few years than I did in all my previous decades online. That's how big this is. We're about to witness the greatest transfer of wealth in our lifetime, and the good news, you're still early on this trend. My business partner Mike has been ahead of the curve, making money with AI since 2022. By mid-2023, he pulled in $129,700 in just 60 days, selling simple AI-powered services. Since last November, Mike and I have been quietly mentoring a small group of honest, hardworking people, tired of the hype and finally ready to build real, long-term businesses using AI to help small businesses get more customers. Why is this such a game changer? AI doesn't sleep, doesn't complain, it just works. It also doesn't ask for a dime and gets results more reliably than most humans. Let your AI employee do the work while you get paid. With AI on your side, you've got more leverage than ever before. Even if you're a total newbie, you can land high-ticket, recurring clients, while AI handles the delivery. You don't need to be an expert to get paid like one. I earn $5,000 a month per client because I'm seen as an expert who delivers results. 10 of 15 monthly $5,000 payments. $75,000 client, 10 of 21 monthly $5,000 payments. Sharn $105,000 client, 10 of 11 monthly payments equals $57,500 client. Until now, only so-called experts could ethically land high-ticket deals. But here's the game changer I've seen firsthand working with Mike. Beginners are now earning like pros. Thanks to AI, you can deliver real value and get paid like an expert without years of experience. Introducing the AI Cash Cow. This is the fastest path I've seen to high-ticket recurring income. The AI Cash Cow is a simple, step-by-step system that shows you how to start your own AI marketing business, earning high-ticket, recurring income by helping small businesses get more customers using AI, even if you're a total beginner. Best part? You're still early, before this explodes into the mainstream. No experience? No problem. We designed this to remove every excuse that normally holds people back. It works even if you don't have anything to sell, aren't an expert, don't know your niche, have no business or marketing experience, have limited capital, don't have a team, aren't tech savvy.